die.
No. No. But he's gonna be okay. He cannot die. He's on machines. Tell him to put it back on. Call him. Why did they take him off? Because it costs too much. I understand that everybody just gives up on him. Where is Oma? The stupid Lord can have him later. Why does God have to take everything well? What did I do wrong that he had to take my daddy? My dad was only 34 years old. I needed him more than you, God. I need